Hey everyone, so in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how to add images and sounds into your project. So this will be basically just importing it and setting it up inside of your Android project. First thing you'll need is your images and your sounds. So as you can see, I've got a couple of sounds here. Sorry, I got a couple of images here, three in total, and I've got an MP3 sound called Pop Cartoon. Yeah, it's a simple popping sound. So I'd like to bring these into my project. For your images, what you can do is you can navigate to your resources folder and click inside of drawable. So from there, you can simply perform a drag and drop where you can drag your images and then drop them into the drawable folder. If you see this option, just click on yes and click on refactor. Continue to do this for your other images as well. Simply drag and drop, click on refactor, and place them inside. If you do ever come across the issue of where there is a red squiggly line underneath, it's probably because of the way that you named an image. Right click on the image, click on rename, or simply right click on the image, refactor, rename, and change the name into something that's slightly different. You might have some extra special characters or something in there that is throwing it off, but just be sure to rename it and you'll eventually see the error go away. So that is pretty much it for the images. For the sound, it is a little bit different. What you're going to have to do is you're going to have to right click on Res and click on New, create a whole new Android resource directory. So for the directory name, you would call it raw. And for the resource type, you would also select raw. And from here, what you could do is drag and drop your pop cartoon in, your sound. The reason for this is because it is a raw file. You don't want Android to interpret it as anything else, which it probably would if you had thrown it into the drawable folder. And that's pretty much it for our sounds and images. In the next video, we're going to create the first welcome screen for our app, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye.